amemba aria maigithitie na sacco ya Ekeza na aria makoretwo makiuria mangicokerio mbeca ciao atia thutha wa sacco yo kugumirwo ni ihinda iritu kuona mbeca cia amemba ni ciahuthirirwo uru undu uria wacungiririe kamishna wa mathothaiti kuingirira ndeto iyo na kuinga akaunti ciao. Na ona thengia wa gucokerio marua ma guthie na mbere na wira wayo, amemba aria maigithitie ni mathiete na mbere na guteta makienda macokerio mbeca ciao. Umuthi minista ugitiri wa thiini Fred Matiang'i akihithura ni marethana na arugamiriri anene a sacco eno.
It is unfair. You know, all these stories, it is true. There is nothing to hide. We are hot on the trail of the officials of Ekeza and the others. And we will have no mercy. Inspector General, tumekubaliana. We go after these people, take them before the law, and we will do what the law requires us to do.
Oho Matiang'i agithie na mbere kuga thirikari ndi kwirorera andu kiumbe magitongia na thithino ya Wanjiko.
It's painful for people to save, you know, the earnings for several years, and that time someone is enjoying our hard-earned income, you know, and entertain yourself and your own criminal mad people using our savings.
Mukano uyu ugiuka riri kugite na njatukano gatagati ka amemba kambuni ya Gakuyo Real Estate na aria sacco ya Ekeza kabeci cieriire na mawoni ngurani megie gukuruhanio kwa murugamiri munene wa kambuni ici David Kariuki kamiti-ini iria iraramata wendia wa indo ciake nigetha arihe amemba mbeca ciao.
Yeye ndiye akona title deed ile ya kweli, na yeye ndiye anajua mahali bacon ziko za brotizi zetu.
Ithu tuokaire thirikari ati mbeca icio ciakinya moko-ini ma thirikari si moko-ini mega, ithu tutibrivete na Gakuyo ringi. We don't trust him anymore.
Ithenya ria wendia wa indo ciakwa gutire mundu ucio ikungira, no makorirwo riu mena mubango wa guthie gucietherera nigetha macitahe na nigetha maciendie na thogora uria marenda.
Gakuyo agithie na mbere kuga uramati wa Ekeza ni wiingiritio teti, akiuga kamishna wa mathothaiti ni arahuthirwo ni ateti noguo agirirwo ni kwiyeheria gituro-ini giake.
Wabici ya commissioner niyo ikoretwo igicaria uria Ekeza sacco ikugwa na uria andu acio magurite migunda agakuyo maguka mambiririe migunda ni endio moke mambiririe kujitia migunda.
One way we are going to support the cooperative movement in the country is that we are going to do everything it will take to punish and bring to book those who misuse sacco resources.
Riu amemba aya megwetera ikinya riria thirikari ikuoya gutigirira ni macokerio mbeca ciao. Adini Hakameme TV, Gitaka Mwangi.